All right, people. Wifey saw these great balls of fire, and she wants to start spinning. So we say yes, wifey. Oh, free games? Okay. Fourth reel. Oh, it flew by. Okay. Now it's locked on the third. This game has the most incredible like retention for players. It just always makes you want to sit in your seat because you're like, oh, it could drop now. And it resets on every spin, so. Free spins?
I got 3 free spins.
You did?
2.
Oh yeah, no, it's 3, yeah. Okay. You got a lot of fortune cookies. 2 more? The easiest one is obviously the first 2 reels, but oh, come on, 1. Top. Oh, yeah, so many chances too up there. Okay. The bottom one, the left one I should say. Oh, save it for the other one. I'm saying, yeah. Are you out of money? Okay.
What's that mean?
It means that it could drop and it's magic, but yeah, it's like the last spin. Yeah, where were you last time, buddy? The one singular ball.
Well, it doesn't make sense to use this one.
Probably like better.
Huh?
Keep going on this one?
Yeah, whatever you think. Oh yeah, yes, indeed. Oh my god, I passed by 10 times. Oh goodness, come on. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire on top. Okay. You can also get the progressives as a ball too, so. Yes? Nay. It always comes after you need it. This game, I'm telling you. This game is like, I played it once or twice and I was like, oh my goodness, this game can be like an absolute suck-in, but. Okay.
Wow, nothing.
Nothing yet. Oh.
I like the noises it makes. I'm a sucker.
I like the noises it makes. Oh. It does make nice noises. It knows what it's doing, that's for sure. Yes, big. Wifey, I believe in your ability. Here. Bam. Major. Major would be nice. Oh, you keep dropping 3. At least can give 1. It's only like $1 over there. Okay, finally, I just asked for it and it happened. Just want to see what it looks like.
$1.50?
Yeah, I just want to see what it looks like. So if you're betting bigger, sometimes it can drop way bigger, obviously in balls, but it can also drop the progressives.
Or it could drop nothing.
Or it could drop absolutely nothing, of course. Random line hits, that is true. Random line hits can be awarded. Oh, yes. Oh, there you go. See, that's a big one, $40, but it's the hardest one to get. Oh, you got that one. Okay, that's good. Yeah, some wins, $5.50. Good job. Good job. Save it all for the last one, please. All for the last one. Oh, okay. It resets it each time. Last one, yes, it reset it again. Do not do this to us, okay? You can easily drop 2 more on the last one. No fortune cookies. Save it for the last one. Oh, Firelink. That would be. I think that's the. Yes. So in a full reel awards feature, so you get the automatic bonus in there.
So I have to fill it up?
Yes.
Aww.
Oh, the last one went. Let's save it for this one now. 3 on aisle 4. Yes. Okay. Uno más, please. 1 more. You can do this, wifey. I believe in your button pushing ability. Let me see. It's 150, so it's you know, it's not 75 cents. Save it. Yes, you got it. Nice. Nice. And a pretty good, you know, $5 to trigger it. Let's see. This is fun. This is fun. Oh, Lord, look at that. Great Dragon Ball. Now you have to go to the top. Go to the top. So it's the same as those other ones, remember? Get to the top, wifey. I believe. Good thing we're recording it in selfie mode. Yes. Yes. Okay. We were anticipating the bonus, that's why we're in selfie mode. Oh, excuse us. Oh, Minnie, your favorite. Minnie, your favorite's waiting for you. One downstairs, yes. One more downstairs. Oh, Mini. Many minis. I'm terrified. Oh, you triggered the Mini on a Mini. There you go. One more. Okay, yes, many minis. Many minis, wifey. She's wearing a Mickey Mouse shirt, so Mini for Mickey. Uh-oh. One more downstairs, please. Hello? But there's nothing at the top, you know? So if there was like a mega at the top, it would have been like heartbreaking, you know? But there was nothing up there, but still, of course, each one means more money. Yeah, winner. You got many minis. Yeah.
It sounds like such a big deal.
It is, because it's a huge deal. It's your favorite, the Mini. It even gives it for the bigger thing, so $7.50. Woo, great balls of fire, people. Final Four weekend. Durango Casino. $69.99 is what she won. And she deserves every bit of it. Good job, that was awesome. I would say try a couple more, try to get real 3, and then that's a good one, yeah. This is a fun game. It reminds me of a. She can't fast forward it. It has to play its music. It's like, nah, I'm doing this.
So how many
Just see if you can get that real 4. Real 3, sorry. One more, I would say. Drop it. Oh, you silly goose. Oh, see, it's trying to keep you in there. I don't think you should give in. Unless, okay, it's tricking you. What? This is an ultimate trickery, wifey. You might as well play along. Oh? Real 4 again? Free? No more. Okay, good job. That was fun, people. See you in the next one.